Alright, this is a bit of a bigger popper. Steel shad. I don't know who makes steel shad. Vicious Lures? I'm not sure. I don't remember. I got it from one of the tackle boxes, you know, things some time ago. The good thing about this is I can throw this pretty far out because it's much heavier. It's a bit bigger popper. I think it's fine. I'll just... Oh! Did you see that? Oh, I hope you saw that. That was a huge, huge blow up. Great, the fish still on. And the video is still on. Oh, it's pulling. That was a huge blow up. Pike? Pike. It's a pike. It is a pike. Oh God, yes. Hello, friend. Ooh. That's a... I gotcha. Oh, look at that. Look at the snake. Oh man, I'm glad I did what I did. I gotta take pictures of you, my friend, first. And one more. Oh, just gotta get it by the... All right, let's set you free. Good old day. Beautiful teeth. What a beautiful fish you are.